Can cold laser help with wrinkles? Every woman wishes that their skin could be fresh and smooth forever. However, the frustrating fact is that skin usually starts showing the first signs of aging in our late 20s to early 30s. Fortunately, we have cold laser therapy, which has been proven to be one of the safest treatments for skin rejuvenation. In this video, you could get the basic ideas of how cold laser therapy makes you young again. Why does skin age? Several biological factors cause the skin to age, but photo damage is the biggest cause to blame. UV-induced photoaging is usually observed on skin that is exposed to the sun, and it eventually causes earlier aging of the skin. How can cold laser help with skin rejuvenation? Cold laser therapy, also known as low-level laser therapy, is a non-toxic and non-invasive therapy that uses light energy to repair and regenerate skin cells. The procedure helps improve skin conditions and rejuvenate skin. The cold laser transmits photons about 3 inches into the skin, and the photons are absorbed by the skin. As a result, levels of healthy cell production increase. On the other hand, collagen and enzymes, the secrets of young and pretty faces, are also increased by the irradiation of cold laser light. What makes cold laser therapy better? Cold laser therapy is better than beauty care surgeries or medications because no skin wounding is required to promote collagen regeneration or skin remodeling. No long-lasting erythema, pain, infection, or scarring would be caused. Fewer side effects would be provoked or less downtime is needed. It improves immune responses and healing responses. How to enjoy cold laser treatment at home? MiraMate light pad is the perfect choice for having cold laser treatment at home. It combines the world's leading cold laser technology with the Chinese traditional medicine theory of acupuncture for better therapeutic effects. Many customers reported that their wrinkles have reduced and their skin has become smoother after using LightPad. Moreover, LightPad has also helped many customers with their pains, skin ulcers, or joint issues. Start the magic of rejuvenating your skin with LightPad today.